coronavirus. This graph originally showed 144 comparing coronavirus to these other diseases. As most of you have heard already, didn't think it was a fair comparison, so I added some bars to say, you know, what's the most recent day look like for the number of deaths per day? What does the most recent week look like for the number of deaths per day? So those are the top two yellow bars. Then the next yellow bar down right beside the 144, the 133 is since the beginning of the stats that we have. And then I added the pink one recently to look at the 1 week period 7 days ago, or ending 7 days ago, so that we can kind of look at how the previous week is tracking to see whether we're kind of moving up or down based on a week-to-week basis. So it makes it a little bit harder to watch the animation, which I'll start now. There we go. So incrementing each day, we'll see these yellow ones and the pink one as well climbing up the graph. The bottom yellow one being since the beginning of time. As we go through the graph here, just remember that we're not done yet, so these will grow up to a peak and a plateau and eventually start falling back off again. But clearly this is more impactful than where they had it tagged down near rabies. We're at April 22nd here. Now with the pink at the top, we're starting to recover a bit. The numbers have been trending down slightly. But remember, these are like the daily death totals. There's still a lot of deaths per day. It's just that they're each day for the most part, or each week for the most part, they're a little bit less. But if you look at the one from the beginning of time, it was incrementing on the graph as things progressed. So it's up there near tuberculosis, easy for me to say.